Welcome to the HMAR Mobile Tech channel with another video. I'm doing an oil change on a 2019 Toyota RAV4 2.5 liter. And I want to show you how to torque a spin-on oil filter using an oil filter cap wrench. And so I'm going to go over that with you real quick. And then you'll know how to do it for the next time that you do an oil change on your car that requires this type of filter. The filter here, it says 65 to 67 millimeters or 14 flutes. So this is the filter I'm going to be using here. And then here's the OEM Tools 27196 10-piece cap wrench set. And then over here, I've labeled this one here, the 65, 67 millimeter 14 flutes. Now the reason you got to use 14 flutes is because on top of this filter, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you count all the way around, you'll have 14. And this has 14 as well. And it fits on there perfectly. Now here's the brand new filter. I just wanted to show you something here. Let me zoom in here. If you look at the instructions on the filter, it shows here that 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to 4, it shows 15 to 20 Newton meters of torque. So that's when you're using your cap wrench. And what it's all converted to is, if you're going to use a smaller torque wrench, you can do 132 inch-pounds, which is 15. And that's Newton meters. So you can go between 15 to 20 Newton meters, or in American, SAE, Imperial, 11 to 1475 foot-pounds. So next I'm going to show you what everything looks like underneath the vehicle. Even though you know that the cap has 14 flutes and the filter has 14 flutes, it never hurts to put 2 little alignment paint marks. And then when you've got your torque wrench set up properly and you got it on the right way, then you can just quickly watch those 2 dots. And if they don't move, you're golden. And then I always like to put a paint mark right where the filter torqued and where it lined up on the engine block right there. And then 1 on the oil drain plug. You did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.